Hey, and a very, very happy Tuesday to all of you watching. My name is Ms. Drew. I am your hostess with the mostest. And of course, you are watching MX Breaks right here on MX24. Now, if your girl Ms. Drew is on your screen, then you already know it is that time for me to give you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. So today we are talking about Megan Thee Stallion, who is accused of lying for clout, the benefits of being vegan, and a backpack that massages you as you walk. So, here in Ghana, the youth are upset for the wrong reasons. Well, apparently so. Over the weekend, the president, Nana Akufo-Addo, addressed the nation about COVID-19 updates. In his speech, he mentioned that this time wasn't yet right for the university students to all head back to campus. And that was not what the youth wanted to hear. University and Nana Akufo-Addo have been trending on Twitter. Young adults were hoping that after being stuck at home for months, they could finally get back to their campus girlfriends and boyfriends. A vast majority live at home. A vast majority of our students, they all live at home, guys. And so they can be free and live their lives, doing what they want, because you know your life at uni is completely different to your life at home. I don't blame them. But guys, COVID is real. So be safe. If the president says stay home, stay home. So the youth have taken to Twitter to express their outrage, and I must say, it is very comical. Moving on to another side of the world, Ariana Grande has released the name of her surprise album. Oh my God. The young Mariah Carey. We spoke a few days ago about the fact that Ariana has given a surprise announcement. Well, we now have the name and a countdown. The name is Positions. On her website, she also updated 2 countdowns, potentially leading to a single and then the complete album 7 days later. I told you guys, we have got you covered with all of the updates, so MX Breaks is the only place that you need to be. Moving on, our Texas-born rapper Megan Thee Stallion recently wrote an opt plea to the New York Times, urging that the protection for black women. She made reference to her recent crisis whereby fellow friend and rapper Tory Lanez shot her in the foot. He has since been charged. However, the experience in itself she described has been very traumatic. Now, the opt has made waves with the internet being very divided. Several people attacked Megan, claiming that not only was she lying about her situation with Tory, but that she was using it as clout. However, several people have come to her defense, stating that such reactions were just examples of people not coming to black women's defense and not believing them. Megan herself came out to state that she couldn't understand why people think she would be lying. Can you really blame her? Who would lie about being shot? Come on, guys, honestly. I know. We can almost say that we are tired of Cardi B, but so much goes on in her life. We all saw the birthday gifts, the lavish party, the reconnecting with Offset, but here we go again. Officially 1 month after filing for a divorce, Cardi has announced that the duo have rekindled their romance and are back together. Of course, the internet trolls have their options. Cardi is known for doing what she wants, when she wants, and how she wants. And however, the personal attacks got so vicious, she had to address them. In a series of tweets, voice notes, Instagram lives, and such, Cardi stated categorically that despite what people are saying, she isn't in an abusive relationship, but it's mentally or physically. Mentally or physically. Now, she made a mock apology to the trolls, saying that she is sorry for not living her life the way they want her to. I have no words anymore. I can't deal. I don't even know what is happening. But of course, when it comes out, your girl's gonna let you know. A woman-led lifestyle brand has been created, a unique massager backpack. Just what a lady needs. Named Tina Pakesh's lifelong dream was in entrepreneurship and building a brand. In 2018, she founded EUME, a brand that specializes in luggage with an aim of building a strong core with fitness products. Now, it has 6 categories, including, but not limited to, masks, umbrellas, and various types of backpacks. But it was the massager backpack that really put her on the map. Yes, guys. After being endorsed by several celebrities, including Hardik Pandya and the cricket player, and Damon John, who appeared in Shark Tank, EUME was able to gain a patent for the international market. Highly available through an e-commerce site and even WhatsApp, its popularity has grown massively. Can you imagine a backpack that massages you as you walk? Oh, talk about stress-free. Oh my goodness. Now I have a question for you guys. Have you ever thought to go vegan? I have. I've done it before actually for 3 months. And there are some amazing vegan restaurants in Ghana that you guys should really check out. Now, being vegan is eating only plant-based foods. So instead of cow milk or regular milk, a vegan would drink soy milk or rice milk or almond milk. Now, the food industry has progressed so much that now several things can be plant-based. Cheese, milk, meat can all be fabricated using plants. Trust me, I've tried it. You just have to be more creative and educated to get all the nutrients needed. Recently, health experts have been joining activists to push for veganism. The health benefits include lower cholesterol, less risk of stroke or obesity, reduces risk of diabetes, provides health for high fiber content, reduces the carbon footprint, and the carbon footprint is the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere as a result of certain activities such as the production of meat. What do you guys think? What would you give up? Meat for the healthier lifestyle? Or give up meat to help the planet? I want to know. Leave us a comment down below. Leave us a comment on our Instagram, our Twitter, our Facebook, our YouTube. We want to know. Get interactive. But yes, guys, that is all we have for today. It is, of course, your girl, Miss Drew, your hostess with the mostest. Today, I was styled by Boo Boo Nay, and my hair is by Chriselle Hair and Beauty in East Legon. Shout out to every single one of you watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.